So guys, I'm actually gonna draw something, and you can comment everything if you want. By the way, the SMR thing, I know every one subscriber unsubscribed to me, so I will please subscribe. So I'm gonna draw something. Don't no. So so um so this always happens. I'm gonna put this. This is my. Oh. See this? This is my secret book. This is my first try. First try here. That's my drawing. And this is my second try. And this, I always get like high grades. So, oh yeah, this is one of my favorites. It says right here. Oh my gosh. It says konnichiwa means hello. So konnichiwa. I like the. Oh, you're gonna love this. I just draw this alone. This is an eye. This is an nose. It's bleeding. I feel just like blushing. There you go. Let me take a. Actually, this is what I made. And then like, oh, look for a happy birthday one. Like this. By the way, my dad's birthday is today. And I'm just trying to make a video like this. This is so stupid. It's day one of making drawing with broken pen. Actually, that pen I'm using. Oh, do you know Steven Universe? Yeah. So day two of making a fusion. So blue diamond and yellow diamond is green diamond. If I go up, and this is what it's day three of making a fusion all diamonds, and the white one. I don't know how to draw with the white one, so I put like question mark today, and I put a letter because we draw oh, by the way guys, the video is gonna end, so please like and subscribe. If you like subscribe, I will give you freebies. Just joking. I'll comment on every video of yours and subscribe and like. Please subscribe.